Seeing. To be a safe driver, you need to know what is going on all around you. Not looking properly is a major cause of accidents. Make sure you look far enough ahead. Stopping or changing lanes can take a lot of distance. Knowing what the traffic is doing on all sides of you is very important. Seeing ahead. All drivers look ahead, but many do not look far enough. Most drivers look at least 12 to 15 seconds ahead of the distance you will travel. 12 to 15 seconds is about one city block. At highway speeds, it is about a quarter mile. You need to shift your attention near and far. Look ahead for traffic and road conditions. Watch for traffic, looking for vehicles entering the roadway or your lane. Watch for turning vehicles. Watch ahead for brake lights, which will indicate when traffic is coming to a stop. Watch for changing road conditions such as hills or curves, or signs or signal lights. Watch for a stale green light. A light that has been on for a long time will change to red. By seeing these things far enough ahead, you can adjust your speed or change lanes if necessary to avoid a problem. Seeing to the sides and rear. It is important to know what is going on behind and to the sides. Check your mirrors regularly. Check more often in special situations. Mirror adjustments should be checked prior to the start of any trip. You need to make regular traffic checks of your mirrors to be aware of traffic and to check your vehicle. Check your mirrors for vehicles on either side and the back of you. In an emergency, you need to know if you can make lane changes. Use your mirrors to spot overtaking vehicles. Use your mirrors to keep an eye on your tires. It is one way to spot a tire fire. If you're carrying open cargo, check for loose tie downs. Watch for blooming or flapping tarp. Special situations require some more mirror checks. You need to check your mirrors to make sure that no one is alongside you or about to pass. Check often during lane changes. Change after you have signaled, after you start the change, and after you complete the change. While turning, check your mirrors to make sure the rear of the vehicle will not hit anything. When merging, use your mirrors to make sure the gap in traffic is large enough for you to enter safely. Anytime you're driving in close quarters, check your mirrors often. Make sure you have enough clearance. How to use your mirrors. Use mirrors correctly by checking them quickly and understanding what you see. Look back and forth between the mirrors and the road ahead. Do not focus on the mirrors for too long, otherwise you will have traveled quite a distance without knowing what's happening ahead. Types of mirrors. Many large vehicles have curved mirrors and show wider areas than flat mirrors. These are called convex. They are helpful, but everything appears smaller in a convex mirror than if you were looking at it directly. Things also seem farther away than they really are. It is important to realize this and allow for it. Flat mirrors. Flat mirrors are used to monitor traffic, check clearances, and to see the sides and rear of the trailer. They have a blind spot immediately below and in front of each mirror and directly behind the trailer. Flat mirrors have a blind spot up to 400 feet behind the trailer. Adjust the mirror so that you can see 200 feet to the rear along the sides of the truck, and the rear tires are touching the ground. Convex mirrors. Convex mirrors must be adjusted to show the areas that the flat mirrors do not. Convex mirrors should never be used to judge speed or distance of objects. Position the convex mirrors so you can see the entire side of the truck up to the mirror mounts. The front of the rear tires touching the ground and at least on either side of the trailer. Mirror review. A professional driver should increase mirror usage during maneuvers such as lane change, turns, mirrors, and heavy traffic. Use your mirrors to compensate for blind spots. Other traffic must move into your blind spot. Proper visual search will reduce the probability of someone entering your blind spots unnoticed.